Let's search for the STM32 official website. There you can get the cube ID. So go through the first link. You can see integrated development environment for STM32. So while it is loading, we can go for the new tab, STM32 CubeMX. After the 2.0.0 update, both are disintegrated, so you need both of the softwares for a proper workflow. So I'm installing 2.1.1. Just accept. Make sure you have logged into your ST Microelectronics account. You can use the guest login also to install it. I already have it, so I'm just cancelling it. And you can similarly install the CubeMX. Now since both of them are downloaded, I can just extract them. So let me extract this as well. So let us first install the CubeMX. It is just another simple software. Just double click on it. It will be initializing. Yes, then install it. Next. Just accept all the license agreements. It is simple, you can install it. I already have it, so I am not going to install it. Then similarly for the cube ID, just one thing that I want to show it. Okay, yes. So one thing you need to ensure is that these ST-Link drivers are ticked, because without them you cannot connect your boards, and you have both of them on the desktop. Let us first open CubeMX. After installing it, just go to the file. You can make a new project there. Just select your board. I am using STM32 Nucleo board. It is the Nucleo G474RE. Just enter it and select it from here. You can go through the dataset, resources, everything, or then you can start the project. It will be loading the IOC. Okay. So this is the pinout, and we don't need any initialization. Just clear the pre-installed pinouts. Clear pinouts. Yes. So this is the PA5 is the LED, inbuilt LED. So we have set it as GPIO output. Once it is set, you can see it becomes green. Then go to the project manager, give a name to it. I'm going to give it LED blink. Then after this we need to select the ID. By default it is EARM, sorry EWARM, but we need to choose STM32 CubeIDE. Just select it. Rest of the things you can just leave it as it is. Click on generate code. So it says that this firmware package is required, so you can just click on yes. It is for the first time only. After that it won't ask for that. I'm just closing it. Once you close it, it will contact to the HTTP server and download the necessary packages. It is once per board. You don't need to install it again and again. Just for the first time, it is required to be downloaded. So just okay, just accept the license agreement. Finish. Make sure you have a stable internet connection. Just accept it as well. Finish. So once everything is downloaded, it will just start initializing the project. Okay, project is created. So let us go to the IDE. You can select the workspace and launch. So let us check the directory first where it is created. As you can see, workspace, then LED blink. So we are also going to the same path. Just go to the file, STM32 project creator import. You can just select the directory here. So documents, cube, workspace, LED blink. Yes. Select the folder. Once it is done, just hit on finish. You can double click on the IOC and check the pinout configuration whenever you want. So let us go for the code, that is main.c. So here we will write has include stdio.h. It is not required for this project, but if you are going to print anything, then it will be required. So here in the while loop, since LED blink is a looping phenomenon, so we will write it here. So we will write HAL WR. You can just click on control and spacebar and it will show the predictions like this. So this is GPIO-X, then GPIO pin, then the pin state. So let us check the LED pin again. So as you can see, it is the PA5. So it will be GPIO-A, then GPIO pin. Keep the pin in capital _5. and pin state we need to make it 1. Then semicolon, we'll add a delay, HAL underscore delay. You can just again click control space to get the prediction. We'll add a delay of around 1000 milliseconds. Semicolon, we'll just copy paste it. For the blink we'll need to make it pin state 0. So that's it, it's done. Just click on the save, make sure your board is connected, and click on the run button. As you can see, it is building the project. Build is finished. Now it will write it to the disk. Okay, just cancel it, it's not required. Yes, it's done. Now as you can see, it is powered on and the LD2 light is blinking.